How do I check the balance on my Vanilla Visa gift card?
Hello! In this video, we'll learn how to check the balance on your Vanilla Visa gift card. Let's get started.
What is a Vanilla Visa gift card?
A Vanilla Visa gift card is a prepaid, non-reloadable card that can be used as a convenient and flexible way to pay at millions of locations, both in-store and online, where Visa is accepted.
Why is it important to check the balance?
Before making a purchase with your Vanilla Visa gift card, it's important to know the available balance to ensure you have enough funds to cover the transaction. This can help prevent declined transactions and the inconvenience of finding an alternative payment method.
How to check the balance?
Option 1. Online 1. Visit the Vanilla Visa gift card website, found on the back of your card or in the packaging. 2. Enter your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code, 3-digit security code found on the back of the card. 3. Click Submit or Sign In. 4. The website will display your current card balance and transaction history. Option 2. By phone. 1. Call the toll-free customer service number found on the back of your card or in the packaging. 2. Follow the automated prompts, which may require entering your 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV code. 3. The automated system will provide your current card balance and may offer additional information, such as transaction history. Option 3. At participating retailers. 1. Ask the cashier at a participating retailer to check your Vanilla Visa gift card balance. 2. Provide your card to the cashier, who will swipe it through the terminal to retrieve your current card balance. Now you know how to check the balance on your Vanilla Visa gift card. Remember to keep track of your spending and check your balance regularly to avoid declined transactions. Happy shopping!